In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eSignature on WordPress WP eSignature. By the end, you'll be able to install the plugin, activate it, create a contract, collect signatures, and manage signed documents right from your WordPress dashboard. Start by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. Head to Plugins, then Add New, and click Upload Plugin. Choose the WP eSignature plugin file you downloaded from your Approve Me account, then click Install Now, and finally activate. Keep in mind, WP eSignature is a premium plugin, so you'll need an active license and the plugin zip file before you begin. Next, activate your license so updates and premium features are enabled. Go to eSignature, then Settings, paste your license key from your Approve Me account, and click Save Changes. If the key doesn't validate on the first try, ensure there are no extra spaces and that your site can connect to the internet without a firewall blocking plugin updates. Now create your first agreement. Go to eSignature and choose Add New Document. You'll see options like Basic Document, Template, Standalone Document, and WooCommerce integration. Use a template when you plan to reuse the same agreement often, a standalone document for a one-off contract, and WooCommerce integration if you want contracts to trigger during checkout. Write or paste your contract text into the editor. Include your full terms and conditions and add any placeholders you plan to personalize later. To collect signatures and related details, insert shortcodes such as eSig signature for the signature field, eSig date for the signing date, and eSig print name for the signer's printed name. These shortcodes turn into interactive fields when the signer views the document. Keep your sections clear with headings and, if needed, add a brief summary at the top so signers know what they're agreeing to. Add your signer or signers by scrolling down to the signer area. Enter each signer's name and email and set a signing order if multiple people need to sign. When you're ready, click Publish or Send. The signer will receive an email notification with a secure link to review and sign. If you prefer signatures to happen on a page within your site, you can embed the contract. Use the provided shortcode, for example, eSig document ID WO3, replacing the ID with your document's ID. Add it to a WordPress page using the shortcode block so visitors can sign directly on your website. To track everything, go to eSignature and open Documents. Here you can see which agreements are pending, signed, or expired, view the audit trail, and download a signed PDF anytime. That's it. Install, activate, create, send, or embed and track your signatures with confidence.